How to avoid eBay fees when selling. To drastically lower your cost on eBay, first of all, go ahead and maximize the free insertion credit. Stay under the limit. Every casual seller receives 250 insertions listing each month, and avoid listing more than 250 individual items per month to prevent eBay from charging a 35 cents fee per automated or manual submission, and also get a store subscription. If your monthly listing volume consistently exceeds 250 items, you can subscribe to an official eBay store. And also eliminate the optional listing upgrades. Avoid reserve prices, skip bold titles and subtitles, avoid multi-category listings as well. And also qualify for the discounts. You can earn top rated seller status and also optimize the promoted listings. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.